Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel, the Token Trackers, and in this video once again we are in the Wcoin and I am making sure that I guide you through all the step-by-step criteria that you are going to be needing in this particular project to be able to qualify for the airdrops. In this video I'm going to be guiding you on the next few criteria which have also been released for today, and I'm quickly going to show you so that you can complete it and be set for the airdrop, because these criteria are very important, and if you miss out on any of it, it simply means that you are not going to get the airdrop. You're not going to be qualified for the airdrop allocation, because criteria are the conditions that are going to qualify you to be able to be part of that airdrop. So this video is going to be very informative, and before we go into that, please, if you are new into my YouTube channel or if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So guys, without wasting your time, let's quickly go into it. First of all, I don't think you should participate in this. This is actually, I will call it a lottery. So I am not participating in it, because at the end of the day you always discover that it is the dev, the team of this project that always end up getting this. So it's pointless for me to participate in it. So I will just click on cancel, and then once I click on cancel, if you just first of all, let's quickly go into their official Telegram channel, and you are going to see this particular post which was just posted about an hour ago, and this is what they had to say. They say 2 more criteria are live. Yeah, say, mate, 2 new airdrop requirements have been dropped in the airdrop tab. Head to the app and check if you meet them. So time is ticking, don't miss your shot at Wcoin. Get ready. The claimer continues. So now these are the criteria right here. So they say we should go ahead and check it. Like I was saying yesterday, look at this post now. They just made few about an hour ago, not about an hour ago. And if you look at the participation, I don't think it's not even up to an hour. It's not even up to an hour, but look at the way the community is reacting. It means the community still believes in this project. People are still positive about this particular project. I remember when I introduced this project to you, I told you that it was strongly supported by the Trust wallet itself, and so many other, even BitGet is also part of the team, but I don't really put my head on BitGet. So that is that. So it's a project that we are actually positive that it is going to cook and cook well. So let's head back to the bot. So if you head back to the bot, you come over to this airdrop tab. So this is where the airdrop tab is, and if you come over to it right now, I've discussed with you about the wallet connection. I've discussed with you about the 50 completed tasks. I've discussed with you about the tabs. I've shown you how to get this if you just join Wcoin now, because it was a tap to earn game and it has stopped a long time. The tapping aspect has stopped. So if you have not been able to get this, I showed you in my last video how to get it. It's very simple. And then if you come over to the WAI right here, you see the condition is 100. I've also discussed with you about that. And then the 2 that have been given today are this. You see, 3W skins. So how can you access it, or how can you check it? Let me quickly show you. If you come back to the board right here and just head over to this boost right here, you are going to discover that you're going to see boosters and you're going to see W skins right here. So this is what they are talking about. So they said you must have at least 3. So these are the different W skins right here. So you can see you can actually purchase it by using stars. You can also purchase it by using tone. So if you look right here, you see that this one you can purchase it for 0.4 tone. You can purchase this one for 0.4. So you can purchase this one for 40 tone or 10,000. This one is one of the biggest. So you see Zumbi, you can purchase it for 0.2 tone. So these are the different activities, as you can see right here. So these are the different skins. And then if you look at these ones right here, so look at this one. This one is about tone. You see, you own it. You own it here simply means I own it because I have gotten it already. I believe you now understand. So if you see, this is another one which is about Ethereum. I also own it because I've gotten it. So all these ones you see, they didn't put I didn't get it. That is why you see that they are showing the value, the what I can purchase, use to purchase it. So this one I can spend 0.15 tone or 39 telegram stars to be able to get this. So I've not gotten it. So you can see all the ones that you are seeing, you have owned it. So I own it. So if you look at it right here, you see that I have this one, I have this one, I have this one, I have this one, I have this one. That is 5 already. So they said for you to be qualified, you need 3 of it. So I have 5. I have 6. So because I own this one, 7, I own this one 8, So look at these ones. Now it's very simple for you to get it. So these two right here, I don't have it yet. Now let me quickly get it so that I can show you how you can get it. Now if you don't have the tone or Telegram stars to get this one, at least you can get 3. Look at these 3 right here. You see Cartisan, dot, you see cat. So these are all different skins right here. So I'm going to get these 3 right here. So for me to get this one, I need 1 million Wcoin, so which means it will be deducted from this. So you can simply get it by clicking on that, and then you are going to see buy. So once you click on that, you will see that you have purchased it. So if you go back now, you see you own it. So you now own it, and you can see that it has been deducted from my balance right here. So the next one, if you do the same thing, you see. So that is how you can do it to be able to get 3 skins. So I'm just purchasing it. I'm wasting like this because I have my major account. This is not my major account, so that's why I'm just getting all of it and showing you how to do it. So I can waste everything on this account. I don't really care. So this is not my main account. And if you come here, you have W style. So you see it right here. So you can also get it if possible. And then if you go back, the next one they spoke about is the 20 open 20 W chest. So what do they mean right here? So if you come back right here, and then you just come over to W treasure. So the W treasure is the chest that they are talking about. So you need to open this place 20. At least they have been giving keys that you can open all this section right here. So I believe you have gotten at least even from the Wcoin itself. So if you have not gotten from the Wcoin itself, you can simply purchase keys here to be able to open it up. So if you see, you can purchase 10 keys. So you can purchase 100 keys, you can purchase 10,000 keys. It all depends on you. So for purchasing 10 keys, you will need about 0.3 ton or 70 Telegram stars. So that is that, and that is how you can do to be qualified for the 2 airdrop criteria that were just released today. So I just thought of sharing it with you so that you can prepare and be ready for this airdrop. Why? Because they have promised that they were going to list on the 29th of this month. So we are expecting listing to happen up on the 29th of this month, although we have not yet heard of exchanges naming the listing of the Wcoin. So we still have some few days ahead, and we are hopeful that probably they are going to do that. Because if you come back to their official Telegram channel right here and just scroll through, you are going to see that this is when they actually named the listing, and it's showing 29th of April. So today is already 23. So we have just about, I think, 6 days. Yeah, 6 days, about a week. So we have about a week, and let's wait and see what Wcoin has for us. So guys, that is all I wanted to share with you in this particular video. So please, before I go, if you are new into my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So thank you so much guys. See you in my next video.